Hello student, Namaste Saudhanalai. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to provide you the tricks to remember the plants having winged fruit, or you can say winged fruit present in which plants. So for the trick we have a statement. Don't don't able to fly high in sky. Don't able to fly high in sky. So we have all the capitals have its own trick, that is D, A, T, H and S. So in first we have D. So D means Dysuria. These plants have winged fruit. So D means Dysuria. In second we have A. So A means Acer. In third we have T. So T means Terminia. And in fourth we have H. So H means Hyptage. And in fifth we have S. So S means Soria. This Soria and Hyptage is frequently asked important. That is frequently asked question. This Soria and Hyptage. So this is the plants that which contain winged fruit. So the trick is don't able to fly high in sky. D for Dysuria. A means Acer. T means Terminia. H means Hyptage. S means Soria. So my dear student, take the screenshot. And this much for today. Thank you for the class.